Hello, and welcome to the presentation of Human Resource Management. Today, I will be speaking on the crucial role and responsibility of an operations manager within an organization. The operations manager is often the unsung hero working behind the scenes to ensure that operations run smooth and efficiently. We will begin with the introduction of operations management. Next, we will be talking about the core competencies and skills required for operations management. Next, we will be talking about the daily responsibilities and tasks of operations management. And lastly, we will be talking about the impact of operations managers on business success. The introduction to operations management. Operations management is the administration of business practices. It is aimed at ensuring the maximal efficiency and effectiveness within an organization. Optimizing processes for business operations management is to enhance workflow and reduce waste. It also is important for operations management to be involved in cost reduction because that helps the business save money. As far as improving quality, it is good for operations management to be involved in improving quality because that helps products and services that customers are receiving are at satisfaction. We now turn to the key responsibilities of operations management. Operations management is in charge of overseeing daily operations. They make sure everything is ran smoothly and efficiently within organizations. They also manage the workflow, which is also part of the daily operations. They make sure things are effective and optimized within organizations. They also are in charge of controlling of the quality, which maintains the standard of satisfactorial production. They implement policies so that procedures and things in all operations are functional. In the next couple of slides, we will be talking about competencies and skills of operations managers. To be a successful operations manager, you need technical skills and soft skills. Technical skills would be considered the what applications to use to make sure work and products are efficient. Soft skills would be knowing how to talk to members of your team or uh, customers, things of that nature. One of the core competencies of an operations manager is process optimization. This involves identifying inefficiencies, implementing strategies, adapting to the best practices. When identifying inefficiencies, you want to focus on recognizing anything that hinders the process of products and services. When implementing strategies, you want to find the best way overall to correct any inefficiency within production of products and services. And when adapting to the best practices as an operations manager, you want to help your team practice streamlining the highest performance of process as possible. Another core competency and skill of an operations manager is quality control and compliance. When doing so, it is important to make sure that quality is at satisfactory for customers to receive products and services. Compliance with regulations within the organization is also important as an operations manager because you want to make sure that you and your team are following the organization's rules as far as producing products and services. Monitoring process is also important as an operations manager because you want to make sure that things are going out on time within an organization's streamline. Operations managers also oversee supply chain distribution, which involves making sure that products and services are distributed on time and in budget. Sometimes those distributions can have uh, impacts and disruptions. When you have delays within supply chain, it is best to create a plan for unseen challenges that does not disturb operations. Creating a contingency plan is best because it minimizes the impact on operations. When you have less impact on operations, that means customers can receive products on time and operations can distribute them within cost. As an operations manager, it is good to have leadership and decision making skills. Having good leadership skills makes for a smooth operation, achieving strategic goals within the organization. The importance of decision making is to analyze data and information quickly so that you can make informed decisions that does not impact productivity. And the importance for good leadership skills is for guiding the team effectively so that they can all be motivated towards uh, organizational goals. With that being said, we will go into communication. Communication and teamwork are also soft skills that operations managers should obtain. When having good communication, you ensure that your team members understand the roles and responsibilities within the organization. Collaborating across departments, you facilitate information that align with the organization's goals. And aligning and informed decisions maintains alignment, ensures that everyone is informed about changes and updates for productive work within the environment. Sorry about that. Operations managers are responsible for many tasks throughout the daily operations of an organization. Within the next few slides, we will delve into what responsibilities and tasks that they are responsible for. Operations managers are responsible for balancing cost efficiency with quality. Cost efficiency is a challenge because you have to make sure that products meet customers' expectations, all while doing it at the lowest cost possible. Quality assurance strategy is important because it affects quality and it is crucial for product to meet standards without overspending. Making this type of decision could be successful for operations managers because they can balance the costs all while providing quality. Operations managers play an important part in workplace safety. They implement safety protocols so that accidents can be prevented, all while giving employees training to further workplace accident prevention. They also monitor the safety to create a safe culture for organizations. Improving operational efficiency, operations managers streamline processes by eliminating unnecessary steps to enhance productivity and reduce costs. This in turn optimizes workflow to enhance overall productivity and reducing costs. This also helps to impact the bottom line, which could help organizations profit by not wasting. In conclusion to this human resource management presentation, the role of an operations manager. Operations managers ensure a smooth running for organizations. They impact on efficiency, which is beneficial for the business performance overall, and they navigate through challenges, adapting strategically to ensure business has resilience.